Welcome to the Automation Zone. In today's tutorial, we shall be learning how to handle an alert using Selenium. For testing, we shall be using this website. It has got few buttons, and when I click on it, as you can see, I get an alert. There are various types of alert, like the one which we saw, and one with two buttons, and one with a text where we can enter some value and then hit OK or cancel. So we shall learn how to automate all of these types of alerts. So without wasting any time, let us just jump into the code and get started. This basic code over here will just navigate to the basic website, and it is going to click on one of those four buttons. The URL I've given in the description, so you all can go and practice also. These are the IDs of the four buttons, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. For those who don't know how to get the IDs, simply right click on the button, click on inspect, and this will open up, and you can see button over here and the ID is this. So same way you can go and inspect the other button and then the other, and you can copy all of the four IDs. Now once we go ahead and do that, the click option, the click method over here is going to go ahead and click one of these four buttons, and that's going to bring up the alert. Now how to handle it? Because guys, if this is open up, right, you cannot perform any other action on the window. As you can see, I cannot do anything, and the automation is going to fail. So in order to handle that specific pop-up or that alert, you have to type driver dot switch to dot alert. Once you do that, this alert class is going to have various methods which is going to perform an action on that alert. So if I do alert dot accept, what it's going to do is going to go ahead and click on OK. Fine. This is going to be pretty quick, right? So I'm going to do thread dot sleep, and I'm going to wait for 2 seconds. So it'll click, you can see the specific pop-up, it will then wait for 2 seconds, and then it'll go ahead and click on OK. Let me run this and see how this works. So here we go. The browser has opened up. As you can see, that alert is there, and it clicks OK, the alert disappears. Now you can go ahead and continue your automation without any hassles. Now this here has got two options, right? OK, and it has got cancel. Let us see how to do that. I think you all might be having an idea. If I do dot dismiss, I guess that's going to click on cancel. So I'm going to do dismiss once. Let me copy paste this down again, and the second time I'm going to do dot accept. Fine. And I'm clicking on the third button, right? So this is the ID of the third button, so let me also change that. So here we go. Let me hit run and let's see what happens. Here we go. It should click on cancel first, and then it should click on accept. So here we go. You selected cancel. Oh, it's not doing anything. Why is that? Dismiss, accept. It should have clicked on accept, right? Very strange. Why did this happen? Why did this happen? Let me run this again. It doesn't make any kind of sense. Here we go. Okay, you click cancel and you clicked OK. It worked for the second time. I don't know, it might be some kind of bug, or maybe I was moving my mouse too much. Okay, for the last one, I think it is this one right here where we have to enter something, right? So let me come back to the code. Instead of clicking the second last one, let me hit the prompt button, and then we don't need any of, we need thread.sleep, switch to alert, and we should do dot send keys, the usual Selenium command. Let me type in something like automation, and then once I've done that, let me go and click OK dot accept. Fine. After I go ahead and type in automation, let me also wait for 2 seconds so you all can see that it has typed in automation. Okay, let me just go ahead and run this piece of code. Here we go. So Chrome opens up. It's going to click on the last button. Here we go, prompt, type in automation. Okay, you have entered automation. It was a bit fast and you're not able to see, but as you can see, it's already entered automation in. So these are the three ways you can handle the prompt button. Now there's one more here, which is click on OK button, and the prompt will appear after 5 seconds. In order to handle this, you should be using the synchronization which we have learned previously. Okay, so I'll keep this as a homework to you guys. You can try to perform this in various ways, and if you have any kind of questions, you can message me below and I will share you the right way to do so. So that is it for this tutorial. I've got a whole other set of tutorials which I've aligned for you guys, like these ones right here. The next one is going to be handle multiple browsers, and then there are a lot more to go. So stay tuned, and if you like the series, do subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thank you.